journey through each day. To the sky above, I always go pray. You're there with me, come what may.
Hey lovies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Tereesa. Welcome to my channel, Love Lady Tereesa. And in today's video, I'm bringing you along as I refresh my front porch and flower bed with some beautiful spring plantings. But first, my little buddy Irie and I are heading out for a quick walk to start the day. Gotta let him stretch those legs before we get into the dirt. And of course, we had a bit of excitement. Irie spotted a few deers. He tried his best to scare them off, puffed up and all the business, but the deers wasn't very impressed. Still, he was so proud of himself, and honestly, I love moments like this. You never know what you'll see on a morning stroll. A few days ago, I made a quick trip to Lowe's to pick up some of my favorite annuals. I always get excited walking through the garden center. So many colors, textures, and possibilities. I grabbed vincas, lemon coral sedum, and of course some gorgeous begonias for the front flower bed. Now that we're back from Irie's walk, it's time to get into the flower bed where I'll be planting those gorgeous begonias. They're one of my favorite annuals. So easy and reliable, and they bring such a soft, lush fill structure to the space once they start filling in. I was eager to get the plants in the ground before the gardenia blooms started to brown and fade. Oh my goodness, guys, if you've ever smelled the gardenia in full bloom, you know exactly what I mean. It's like walking past a perfume factory. So fresh, so sweet, so rich. Every time I pass by, I have to stop and just breathe it in. Honestly, it doesn't get any better than this. I love it, love it, love it. What's your favorite natural fragrance? Let me know in the comments. The only disappointing thing is they just don't last very long. You have to wait all year for this moment and it's over within a blink. So I make it a point to enjoy every second while it's here. This is the shrub just one short week ago. Okay, so let me just start by saying I am not a professional gardener. I just genuinely love it. Gardening is really my creative outlet, a way to unwind and connect with nature and just bring life and color onto my home. So whether it's planting seasonal flowers or experimenting with new layouts or just getting my hands dirty, I find joy in every step. For me, it's not about perfection. It's about creating a welcoming, beautiful space that feels alive and cared for. My intention and hope is that you feel inspired and motivated to get out into your own garden or just create one. was a little guy here that looked like the flowers were broken off, and it was hiding under the blooms in the container. I'm going to keep an eye on it to see how it does and see if it blooms to catch up with its neighbors. Now that we're done with getting the begonias in the ground, it's time to move over to the porch. I'm adding a pop of color with some cheerful vinca and vibrant lemon coral sedum. These are low-maintenance, sun-loving plants and perfect for brightening up the front porch steps. Speaking of brightening up the steps, we're just about at the point in this season when our power washing company is due to come out for some power washing. So for now, I'm just going to do a quick sweep. And once most of the pollen is done falling, we like to get everything clean from the curb out front, by the mailbox, all the way down to the backyard stairs. It's a big job, but it makes everything feel so fresh and ready for late spring and summer hosting. And while we're out here, it is a perfect time to give a little love to an old friend, our outdoor peaceful and welcoming frog ornament. He's been sun faded and weather worn from the last spring and summer, but with a fresh coat of paint, he's about to be the star of the porch again. I live in a heavy wooded neighborhood, so I purchased a few motion detectors, which is an ultrasonic animal repellent device to keep the deers from feeding off my garden. I really don't like using harsh chemical products, so I like using this device because the repellent uses a safe and humane way to deter animals from my yard. All products will be listed in the description box below. Okay, so let's take a look at the before and after of this porch refresh. But first, hubby is calling for my assistance in the backyard. Guys, we have so many projects going on, and I will be posting the content in my upcoming videos. If this is something you think you might be interested in, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you join this new and growing community. And that's it, friends. A lovely moment spent outside with Irie. Fresh gardenia blooms for the season and a newly refreshed frog buddy bringing a peaceful and welcoming charm. Let me know in the comments what you are planning to do this season. What little garden decorations you have. What stories you have in your space. Thanks for being here, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Hey lovies, do me a favor, click that like and subscribe button. It really helps out with the algorithm. Click the bell notification to receive new videos as soon as they drop. Thanks again for watching. Sincerely yours, Love Lady Tereesa.